Welcome back to the adventure here. So I drove around a couple different places this morning, and man, I just can't find any open water. But I did find just a little bit. But it's a little tricky to get to. But I've got a plan. Well, I made it, folks, to the water, but not quite the still water I'm looking for. The plan is I'm gonna jump in the little Provo here that's feeding into Deer Creek and float it down to the open water. Again, don't try this at home, people. Don't try it. All right, here goes nothing. All right, it's going pretty good so far. Sun trying to come out. Now I'm into the main part of the river here. That's encouraging. Whoa. Oh, away from danger. Away from danger. There we go. Go backwards a little. Go a little faster. Like I said, we're here just fishing. I think I'm getting close. Woo. A long trip back. Oh golly. So what's pretty cool is usually this river right here is all totally underwater. When I come and fish this area, this is the Charleston area it's called. Pretty cool to be able to fish, or excuse me, to float actually through it to the lake. I don't have my trolling motor here today, just because that was going to be too much of a crazy hassle trying to get over here with the trolling motor. But I want to know what depth I'm at, like right here in this part of the river. So the one thing you can do is you can take your pliers or hemostat, whatever you would like to call them, put them on your bottom fly, and then drop that down into the water, and at least you'll have an idea of how deep it is. Oh wow, that is not deep at all. Not deep at all right here. So maybe about 5 feet only. So that's good to know. I'm not going to be letting out a lot of line. So he's jumping. He's running towards the boat. I don't know if I got the jump. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there, people. Woo, yeah. Oh, he's getting all. Trying to keep him on this other line a little if I can. Oh, no. Oh well, it's gonna be a mess, but whatever. Yeah. Woo. Yes. He's another nice fish. Ooh, yeah. Got him on the pink. Oh, another beauty. Nice fat rainbow. Oh, there he goes. Oh, now it's, oh. Yeah, now we're talking. Ugh. Look at that beauty, yeah. Really nice fish. Nice and thick. Yes, needed that guy. That was a nice fish. Nice fish. Hopefully we can get some more here. My buddy tried this booby for me. It's kind of what these flies are called when they have this foam at the top. Boobies they're called. Fish just really like them. Kind of pulls and then kind of floats up in the air. So got 2 fish and like 3 or 4 hits or something, I don't know, right away on this one rod. So I'm gonna, right now I'm gonna stop messing with the other rod. I'm just keep that one out of the water and just stick with one rod. I've got my Type 4 with my pink and my booby. So let's see what happens with this guy. Another good fish, good fish. Whoa, whoa. What have I hooked into? Oh man. Up through there? No. Oh, okay. Yeah. What's he gonna do? I don't know kind of what they're gonna do. Oh, there we go. Yeah. What a pretty fish. Oh man. Oh gosh, he's gorgeous. Whew. Ow, that hurt. Oh man. Owie, owie. Oh, you beast. Oh, he's nice and thick. Big football. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Look at that guy. Oh, man. Yeah, it's popped right out of there. Oh, thanks, buddy. Mwah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Turned out to be just a great day. Great day. I found the fish, and I'm just kind of sticking in the same pattern where I keep picking them up, just doing the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. Man, I just love it. Ah, shoot. That's two in a row, I think. Towing the boat around a little bit. Oh man. There it goes. Nice. Come here, buddy. Oh, another thick fatty. Just right in the lip. Ooh. Yeah. See you, bud. Oh man. Man, I'm doing so good. I hate to stop fishing, but I don't know how long that's gonna take me to get back. So I think I'll try to fish my way upriver a little bit. There is a pretty good mouth there for a minute. Little channel, might be able to pick up a couple or one or whatever. And then try to get back to my car if I can. It's pretty far away, so a little concerning. We're almost there. I just need to get across this part of the river, get over to that part, and then there's the truck right over there, so not too bad. Almost there. Whew. Oh man. Crazy. Oh. All right, we're gonna keep after it here. Hey, remember folks, if you're liking the videos, please feel free to subscribe and share and do all that stuff so I can keep doing these adventures. Thanks.